Just gonna go over a few scissor fundamentals. It's really tough to make a choice when you're looking to buy a new pair of scissors. There's so many different design options out there, but basic design differences. These two scissors are regular set. The finger rings are side by side. This is an offset scissor with the scissor rings a little staggered. The finger rings, I mean, a little staggered. This is also offset, and then also a crane design with the handles bent down from the axis of the blade. Another offset scissor with a twisted thumb ring so that your thumb can sit comfortably rather than going in at a 90-degree angle, can sit comfortably pointing towards either the end of the blade or back away from the blade, can swivel around. You could still do that same action with a non-twisted thumb ring. It just isn't quite as comfortable when the thumb ring is static like that, or when it's straight like that. The difference between offset and regular set is like pretty obvious. The offsets are going to come straight out of your hand. Here, I'll use that as a background. That's a little better. The regular sets on top there, you're going to have to twist your wrist a little bit more to get that straight cut, or the blades coming straight out of your hand. Also, the offset just moves your thumb a little further forward into a more comfortable hand position when you're cutting. So an offset scissor is generally a lot more comfortable. Regular set is more of a traditional design, and usually barbers choose a scissor like this, particularly this one with the longer handle, bigger finger rings. This is more of a barber style. Bigger hands, bigger fingers for bigger rings. You've got more leverage with the longer handle so that you can really come down when you're scissor over combing with a pair of scissors like this. The more of a hairstylist scissor, usually a shorter handle. This has got pretty big finger rings, but some of them have quite the finger rings are quite a bit smaller on the stylist scissors, and the handle is shorter. That allows for smaller hands to open the blades wider. When you have a longer handle, you need to open the blades wider in order to open them up to full open capacity. With this is a 6-inch regular set scissor. This is a 6-inch offset scissor. They are the same length from the end of the finger rest to the end of the blade, but if you put them blade by blade, the offset hairstyling scissor has a slightly longer blade just because the handle's shorter. Just makes sense that a lot of the length is being taken up in the handle on this barber style scissor. So those are just a couple of the main design differences that you'll find when you're looking at scissors. There's plenty of others that we can discuss in future little videos.